Sergeev to another video. This is Mr. Cluckins, and today we are discussing why are my ducklings or ducks breathing through their mouth and sneezing. So last night I discovered when they were in the brooder that my khaki camel duckling was breathing through his mouth and actually just sneezing a lot. So I did my research and I found out that it's because he has stuff stuck in his nose. So I looked in his nose and I saw a bunch of basically food. And usually what they do is they just shove their head in the water and blow bubbles. But now that they're much bigger, they can't really do that. Like that. You see? He's really just blowing bubbles. So what I did was I plopped him in the tub. I let him blow his bubbles. Then when he wanted to get out, I pulled him out. I checked his nose and it was gone. So that is a solution. But if you want to keep it from happening, what I have done is I gave them a tub of water to just get in whenever they want. It's not as big as that tub right there, obviously. But this is just so they can get in and out quickly and blow their bubbles. So the chicks don't drown in it because they're too smart to not just get in it. Plus, they're bigger than it. As you can see, that one is way bigger than that. So, and the reason they're sneezing, the ducks, is because they're trying to get it out, the gunk that's in their nose. So an easy solution would just to be giving it a tub of water for them to just get in and out. Not only will it help them clean out their nose, but, you know, it'll help them just, I don't know, clean themselves too, because they can get ticks and parasites, and that'll just help them clean up. So, yeah, that is my answer to the reason why are my ducks sneezing and breathing through their mouth. Thank you. Subscribe, like, and press post notifications. Bye-bye.